What if I told you that you could study your master's degree in Europe, pay 0 tuition fees, and receive 10,000 euros per year to cover your living expenses? No, this isn't clickbait. This is the KU Leuven Mastermind Scholarship in Belgium, and it's one of the most generous scholarships available right now. Applications close on January 15th, 2026, so stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know to apply successfully. This scholarship is for master's students from around the world who want to study at one of Europe's top research universities. Whether you're into engineering, business, sciences, humanities, or social studies, KU Leuven has a program for you. And here's the best part: full tuition waiver, 10,000 euro annual stipend, access to world-class facilities, and the chance to explore cities like Paris, Amsterdam, London, and Cologne on weekends. If you're looking for a fully funded master's opportunity in Europe, this is it. Let's start with the basics. The KU Leuven Mastermind Scholarship is provided by the Flemish Ministry of Education and Training and is available for master's level students. You'll be studying in Flanders and Brussels, Belgium for a duration of 1 to 2 academic years, depending on which program you choose. KU Leuven is a research-intensive university ranked among the best in Europe. It's not just about getting a degree here. It's about being part of groundbreaking research, building leadership skills, and making a real impact in your field. Now, let's talk about who can apply. Pay close attention because missing even one requirement could disqualify your application. First, nationality. You can apply from any country in the world, except if you're a Russian citizen. Unfortunately, they are not eligible. Second, academic performance. You must have excellent academic records. Think strong GPA, top grades, and a solid academic background. This scholarship is highly competitive, so your transcripts need to speak for themselves. Third, previous education. You should have obtained your previous degree from an institution outside Flanders. So if you studied in Belgium's Flanders region before, you're not eligible. Next is English language requirement. If English is not your first language, you'll need to submit test scores. TOEFL, online, minimum 94. IELTS, minimum 7.0. Cambridge CPE, minimum C2. Make sure you take the test before the application deadline. Other important points. You should not have been enrolled at a Flemish higher education institution before. You cannot combine this scholarship with another Flemish government scholarship or an Erasmus Mundus scholarship. You'll need to pay annual administration fees. This is separate from tuition. Alright, let's talk money and perks because this is where the KU Leuven Mastermind Scholarship really shines. 1. Full tuition waiver. That's right, 0 tuition fees for the entire duration of your program. Whether it's a 1-year or 2-year master's, you're covered. 2. Annual stipend. You'll receive 10,000 euros per year for up to 2 years. That's 20,000 euros in total to help with living expenses, books, food, and accommodation. 3. Choose your own program. You're not locked into a specific field. You can select any master's program offered by KU Leuven that aligns with your interests and career goals. 4. Access to world-class facilities. Study in state-of-the-art labs, libraries, and research centers. You'll also get mentoring, entrepreneurship support, and innovation challenges to help you grow as a future leader. 5. Cultural experience. Belgium is right in the heart of Europe. On weekends, you can hop on a train and explore London, Paris, Amsterdam, Cologne, and more. It's not just an education, it's a life-changing experience. Let's get into what you actually need to submit. Start gathering these documents now, so you're not scrambling at the last minute. Required documents. 1. Diploma and transcripts from your previous higher education, bachelor's degree. 2. Official intermediate transcripts, if applicable. 3. English proficiency certificate, TOEFL, IELTS, Cambridge. 4. Passport or national ID card, identity page, front and back. 5. Belgian residence permit, only if you already have one. 6. Motivation letter, also called statement of purpose. This is your chance to shine. 7. Curriculum vitae, CV. highlighting your academic achievements, work experience, leadership roles, and extracurriculars. 8. Proof of payment for the application fee. Additional documents program-specific. Some programs may require grading table, GMAT or GRE test results, recommendation letters, usually 2, portfolio for creative programs, scholarship-specific documents. Here is a quick pro tip. Check the specific requirements for your chosen program on the KU Leuven website. Not all programs ask for the same documents. Mark your calendars. The application deadline is on January 15th, 2026. This is a hard deadline. Late applications are not accepted, so don't wait until the last day. You might ask yourself, when do results come out? Typically, scholarship results are announced a few months after the deadline, usually around March or April. But check your program's specific timeline because it can vary. Okay, let's walk through how to actually apply. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Go to the KU Leuven website and check the list of master's programs offered. Step 2. Choose a program that matches your interests and career goals. Step 3. Check the specific eligibility criteria for your chosen program. Not all programs have the same requirements. Step 4. Note the specific deadline for your program. Some may differ from the general deadline. Step 5. Review the scholarship details for your program. Step 6. Gather all required documents listed earlier. Double check if your program needs additional documents. Step 7. Create an account on the KU Leuven application portal. Step 8. Log in to the web app and start your application. Step 9. Fill out your personal information accurately. Step 10. Enter your academic details. Be thorough and honest. Step 11. Upload all required documents in the correct format. Step 12. Pay the application fee. Step 13. Submit your application. Step 14. You'll receive a confirmation email. Save this for your records. All right, let's talk about how to stand out and avoid common mistakes that get applications rejected. How to stand out. 1. Customize your motivation letter. Don't use a generic template. Research KU Leuven. Mention specific professors, labs, or research projects you're interested in. Show them why you and KU Leuven are a perfect match. 2. Highlight leadership and impact. In your CV and motivation letter, showcase leadership roles, volunteer work, internships, and projects. They want future leaders who will make a difference. 3. Strong recommendation letters. Choose recommenders who know you well and can speak to your academic abilities, work ethic, and character. Generic letters don't help. 4. Proofread everything. Spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and sloppy formatting can hurt your chances. Have someone else review your documents. These are the common rejection reasons, and you should avoid these. Missing the deadline. Seriously, don't do this. Incomplete application or missing documents. Weak motivation letter that's too generic or vague. Low English test scores or not submitting them. Poor academic performance without explanation. And lastly, not meeting program-specific requirements. That's everything you need to know about the KU Leuven Mastermind Scholarship. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more scholarship opportunities like this one. Now, here's where I need your help. Drop a comment below and tell me your field of study. Engineering, business, computer science, arts, whatever it is. And I'll personally suggest scholarships that are perfect for you. Let's build a community where we all help each other achieve our dreams of studying abroad. And don't forget to check the description box below. I've linked the official KU Leuven application portal, the scholarship page, and some helpful resources for writing your motivation letter and CV. If you need more help in applying, visit our Instagram page and text us over there. You will find our Instagram link in the description below. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.